Good morning, Orange Pod.
Good morning, Mr. Roger.
Can you estimate products?
Yes.
Do you know how to round?
Yes.
All right. There is one word that helps us understand the word estimate. What's that one word?
About.
Say that again.
About.
So we find about by either rounding or using benchmarks, right?
Yes.
A benchmark, new word for most of us, right?
Yes.
A well-known number that is
Easy to calculate.
easy to calculate with. We're finding numbers that are easy for us. We know what rounding is. We know what a product is. Compatible. If something is compatible, it does what together? Ah, you're good. You're good. We know rounding. I'm going to skip this whole section, you guys. We're good at this, right?
Yes.
Plus, we're doing it this week for Wake Up. I'm going to skip right down to number 3. We need to know how to estimate for 2 reasons. 1, it helps us to see if an answer is reasonable. 2, it makes the math easier and faster. I've never met a student or a person yet who didn't say, I like it when the math is easier and faster. Most everyone says that. Question. 24 times 39. Do those numbers work really well together? No. And here we solved it down here. The answer is 936 when you solve it. However, could we change 24 and 39 to nearby numbers to make them compatible?
Yes.
What is really close to 24?
25.
What is really close to 39?
40.
In your brain, can you count by 25s 4 times?
Yeah.
25, 50, 75, 100, right? And this number ends in a 0, so I tack that on at the end, which we've already learned. You're right.
Yeah.
So I had 25 times 4 is 100. Plus this 0 is 1,000, right? Is 936 pretty close to 1,000?
Yeah.
So is this answer reasonable with my estimate?
Yeah.
If I asked you to use this symbol, what does it mean?
About.
So this problem right here, I could just change it to 3 and 8/10 to 4, 6 and 2/100 to 6. 4 times 6 is about 24.
Yeah.
So when you actually do the math, when you do the actual math, should your actual answer be pretty close to your estimate?
Yeah.
We can do this?